पण बाहेर प्रदर्शन झाला एकदा ताळी तुमचे आयज तुमचे कडेन सर्टिफिकेटी पावोवपाचो हो दीस आमचे मदीं आमचे चेअरमॅन आयिल्ले आसात. तुमच्या ह्या दिसांनी सदांच मार्गदर्शन करपी तुमचे सर आयिल्ले आसात, डायरेक्टर बाब. तशेंच आमच्या रवींद्र भवनाचे व्हायस चेअरमॅन आयिल्ले आसा, राजू नायक, दोतर बिशा आसा, मुकुंद बाब आसा. आनी ह्या ट्रेडिशनल बेकरी कोर्साच्यो कन्वेनर फाटली कितलीशींच वर्सां हो कोर्स बरे पद्दतीन आमच्या मदल्या समाजांतल्या बायलां मुखार हाडपी डॉक्टर जसमीत बाय ब्रगांज आसा. तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमी येवकार दिली आनी एकदम मोठ्या ताळी मारया. सराचें सदांच एक सांगणें आसता, हो ट्रेडिशनल बेकरी कोर्स दवरपा फाटलें एक कारण आसा. तें म्हटल्यार तुमी हांगा येवचे पयलीं जें कितें शिकल्यात ताजे परस कितें पूण तुमी चड शिकून घरा कडेन पावतलीं आनी फुडें जो तुमचो संवसार आसा, फुडें तुमचें जें जिवन आसा त्या जिवना भितर तुमी गिरेस्त जातलीं. कितें पूण रांदपाच्या नदरेंतल्यान, कितें पूण घडोवपाच्या नदरेंतल्यान ताजें प्रशिक्षण ह्या 8 दिसांत तुमकां मेळ्ळें. आनी सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार सर चड करून भर दितात तें म्हटल्यार आमचे कडेन कांय अशीं उदाहरणां आसात ज्या उदाहरणां वरवीं आमी सांगपाक शकता की ह्या ट्रेडिशनल बेकरी कोर्सांत येवन कांय बायलां स्वताच्या पांयांचेर उबी रावल्या. आनी हें सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचें, जे कोण रावल्या तांच्या खातीर एकदम मोठ्यान ताळी. कार्यावळ सगळी मुखार वचपाची आसा. सगळ्यांत पयलीं हांव डॉक्टर जसमीत ब्रगांजा हांकां विनंती करता की तांणी सगळ्यांक येवकार दिवचो आनी तुमकां विनंती करता 2 ताळी ताजे खातीर.
Morning friends, present with us for this concluding traditional bakery workshop is MLA Singlesh Kabral, Vice Chairman Raju Naik, members Dr. Shedgaonkar, Mukund, Vasant Sawant and Chef, resource person and Chef Clayton Dias, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you all on completion of this course. I know you all have learned a lot of things in this. There are so many things what he has taught. Though it is 7 days course, but he has taught, he has summed up in almost, like I feel it's almost a month course what he has summed up in so many things. And I thank Chef Clayton Dias for having so much of patience, especially with the ladies I used to see. So, and the way he explained to you all everything in detail. Before you all could ask any questions, he would answer all your small things. Like he knew like what to tell you all the tips for bakery, everything, the way he would explain to you all. I thank him. Also, I thank the MLA. If it was not for him, it would be not possible for this bakery workshop. Since it was his idea from that time, we are continuing it. But you all are getting it just because of him, because he said, okay, actually through Ravindra Bhavan, some women empowerment week, because you all have to get empowered, you all have to be on your own. The main aim of this traditional bakery workshop is that you all have to be on your own feet. If you all cannot do, at least prepare at home and give your children, because home cooked food is always better than bringing from outside. I once again welcome IMLA and all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Thank you.
ताळयो मारली तुम्ही जास्मीन बाय खातीर. आतां ताळयो मारया आमी प्लेटन डावन बाबा खातीर. त्या जास्मिनान सांगलां आपल्या उलोवपांतल्यान एका म्हयन्यान तुमी जें कितें शिकतले आशिल्लें तें ह्या 8 दिसां भितर शिकलां. आनी फॉर एचिवमेंट तो तुमच्या वटेन आनी आमच्या प्लेटन बाबाच्या वटेन एकदम मोठ्यान ताळयो तांच्या खातीर. त्या ताळयाच्या सांगाताच आमी तांकां येवकार दिवया, ऑफिशियली येवकार दिवया, फुलांची भेटवण दिवन. पयलीं आमचे निलेश बाब काबराला खातीर एक फुलांची भेटवण. आनी एक फूल आमचे मनीस प्लेटन बाब डायस हांचे खातीर. आनी 2 जाण उरल्या. एक आमचो व्हायस चेअरमॅन उरला राजू बाब, आनी मिहीर देसाय एसिस्टंट सदांच तांकां आदार करता. धांवट यो फूल रावता तुजे खातीर. येस, बटान ताळयो घालून. फाटले 7-8 दीस तुमी शिकलीं कितें म्हणून नवें गिन्यान जोडलें आनी हांवें म्हटलें तशें वता आसतना तुमी मात पूण गिरेस्त जाले आनी बरें दिसता तुमचे मदले कांय प्रतिनिधी अशी हांगा आपलें मन उक्तें करपाक सोदता जे तुमी 8 दिसांक शिकला ताच्या संबंदान. म्हजे कडेन 2 नांवां आसा. पयलीं हांव मिरियाल बारेटो हांकां आपयतां, तांणी हांगा येवचें आनीक ह्या 8 दिसांक तुमी कितें शिकला ताच्या संबंदान 2 उतरां उलोवची. ताचे फाटल्यान कविता पेरेरा आनी तयारी रावची. यो मिरल ताळयो मारपाक जाय.
Good morning, dignitaries and my fellow mates. I'm thrilled to share my experience from the incredible 7 days baking class organized to empower women. This class was not just a learning experience, but also a life-changing experience for me in a different way. As initially I had no interest in baking at all, but as we all know that baking requires a lot of patience and I don't have any patience. So however, this 7 days I discovered a passion I never thought I had. The skills I have acquired are valuable and joy of creating something from scratch is truly fulfilling. I owe this newfound interest in baking to our amazing chef Clayton Dias. His expertise and patience have been remarkable. He guided us through each step, shared his knowledge generously, and assured we understood everything. Thank you, Chef, for your dedication and for believing in us. Your support has been instrumental in our growth, and we are grateful for your patience and encouragement. And also thank you, our Honorable MLA Sir, for organizing this program for us and giving us this opportunity, also the committee. Thank you.
पाशेस नाशिल्ले मनशाक पाशे शिकयलें ताळयो मारपाक जाय. कविता बाय पेरेरा.
A very good morning to everyone gathered here. With a grateful heart, I would like to thank Honorable MLA Sir and the committee of Ravin Bhavan Kuchore for conducting this women empowerment program, that is traditional bakery and confectionery art course. Many of us have been extremely passionate about baking, but attending this 7 days workshop has greatly sharpened our skills. A big thank you to Executive Pastry Chef Mr. Clayton Dias. You have taught us a lot, preparing a variety of delicious cakes, cookies, yummy desserts, healthy breads, and much more. Chef, you made sure the sessions were very interactive. You answered each and every query. You gave us a good hands-on experience in almost all the recipes. It has really boosted our confidence. I'm sure all the participants will agree with me. Today, as we conclude with this course, Chef Clayton, along with all the participants of the program, we have put up a display of variety of items prepared by us, which truly shows that the workshop has been very fruitful for us. Once again, I thank the committee and staff members of Ravin Bhavan Kuchore for organizing this program. Thank you very much.
तुमकां दोगांकय एक काम आसा. ही दोगांय हांगा उलोवन गेले तांचे खातीर. रवींद्र भवन तुमकां सगळ्यांक सर्टिफिकेट दितली, घडये आमच्या रिसोर्स पर्सनाकय बी दी. पूण दोगांच्या उलोवपांतल्यान बऱ्यो सर्टिफिकेटी मेळ्ळ्या आमच्या प्लेटन बाबाक. जर तुमचें बरोवप बरयल्लें आसा जाल्यार एक झेरॉक्स मारून तरी तांकां दिया, तांकां याद उरतली एक शास्त्रांची अशी. आनीक खास करून आमदारान सांगलां मिरियल बाब ते हांगा कितें तरी म्हणटाले, म्हाका दिसता पद म्हणपा लायला ताजें तें प्रॅक्टीस करताले आसा. प्लेटन बाब डायसांनी जो कितें पराक्रम केला हांगा एक शेफ म्हणून एक रिसोर्स पर्सन म्हणून, तो आमच्या दोळे मुखार आसा. तांकां ह्या 8 दिसांक कितें दितलें तांच्या तोंडांतल्यान आयकुया. प्लेटन बाब तुमकां वेलकम.
Okay, a very good morning to all. First of all, I would like to thank Nilesh Cabral and the committee, especially the convener of the course, Sri Madam Dr. Jasmine Braganza, for giving me this opportunity. Otherwise, it would have been not me doing this course. So I thank on behalf of everyone to them for giving me this opportunity to organize this course. And it is always my passion because I like to share my skills, my knowledge. I'm not like someone like I'll hide my things, what I know. I feel more proud to share what I learned through my experience. I have almost 20 years of experience in this field, so I am not the person that I am going to hide and show you the things which are wrong. You have noticed, okay? I even communicated with you all in Konkani in between as you requested me. So I think English Konkani made you to understand everything. I don't have to explain again what I taught you all. It is already put up there in the exhibition which you prepared and bought for the exhibition. Okay, so today only. So I thank for having patience. Even though some of you all are married, you have kids at home, you had time for this course. So I thank you and I appreciate your efforts which you put to understand this course benefits. Okay, once again I don't want to say anything, but I thank you once again the committee and the members of the Ravindra Bhavan and all of you who gathered here. So I hope you all are going to utilize the benefit of this course and try to open up your own entrepreneurial skill in the future. Okay, with that I wish you all the best and have a nice day.
जे शिकला ताजो उपयोग करून तुम्ही तुमच्या स्वतःच्या पांयाचेर उबे रावल्या सरांक चड उमेद जातली. तुम्ही सगळीं हांगा बशिल्लीं आसात, तुमचे मेरेन सर्टिफिकेटी पावपाच्यो आसात. पूण वुमन एम्पावरमेंट प्रोग्रामाचे खाला तुमचे मेरेन हो कोर्स हाडपा खातीर जशें जॅस्मीन प्रगांजा आमचे डॉक्टर ताणी कन्व्हेनर ताणी एफर्ट्स घेतल्यात, तशेंच आमचे व्हायस चेअरमॅन राजू बाब नायक आनी निलेश काब्राल आमचे चेअरमॅन तांणी घेतिल्ले आसा. सरांचो खास एक उद्देश आसता की हे वर्कशॉप जे आसा तें बरे भशेन जावचें, कित्याक तातूंतल्यान कितलेशेच बायलो फुडें सरपाक शकता असो सरांचो हावेस आसा, उद्देश आसा. सरांक हांव विनंती करता त्या वेळार ताणें 2 उतर सांगचें.
जमलेल्या सगळ्यांक व्हेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
I thought it was good night. Good morning, and on the dais we have Vice Chairman of this institute, my friend Raju Bab, the chef who has painstakingly given you his know-how, his life's knowledge, sharing with you, Chef Dias, convener of this program who has been there with you on and off, Dr. Jasmine Braganza, members of this Ravindra Bhavan, our Dr. Bisaw, our Mr. Patil, Mukund, Mr. Salvi, and comparer and also member, and also Goa Konkani Academy's chairman, Vasant Bab, along with assistant chef, all my young and all young only, I cannot call you old, so all young friends of mine who have done this 7 days course in the right earnest. आणि म्हाका दिसता जी गोष्टी आमी संकल्पना दवरलेली की खंय तरी तुमी एक पांयार उबे रावपाचें स्वप्न जे तुमचे मदें आसतालें तें करपाक जाय, पूण हो कोर्स आमी केल्लो आसा आनी आतांच पोट भरलें आनी खावपाक जायना. आय हॅव टेस्टेड wonderfully well, cheesecake I had, and so many things, patties I had brought from home. I had other things to do, angel leaves, and all those things I had, which nobody else had, only I had. You make them have after we go. So it was very nicely done, and I'm sure that upskilling is required. It is basics, and you get, as you make, you become perfect. That is why I remember when we started this course, there are 3 people from this constituency who have started their own bakery, and today they are distributing. I mean, commercially they are very nice. Even for my birthday that day I brought in 500 packages from her. And one person I brought around 150 slice cake, banana slice cake. So it is not that there is no business. It is you who have to make something good so that people can enjoy and they remember you and tell others. If you do not make good, then nobody comes to you. So I think you have an opportunity, and a lot of things are there. There are small parties always. And people want, sometimes everybody cannot cook like you or do not have that patience, as she said, to cook. So it is like bringing from the market. They will love to bring it from homemade. They can only say homemade. So that is why I thank Chef for giving his best, and he's always been very helpful. In the past also he used to come with Peter, you know more. But we will continue this courses for the future. But I would be very happy if all of you, or if any one of you or a group of you come together where you can start something on. And if you require any financial assistance, you require anything from me, right now assembly session is going on, you can always come to my office. My number you can take from them. give me a message, I'll call you back, and you can come as a group and start something. That's how the other 3 people have started in Kuchare. I've helped them to EDC, I've helped them to something, a loan, and especially women entrepreneurs with marginal interest. So if you want to become self-employed, I think this is the best time. And I'm telling you, any business, see, I'm also a small businessman, not like big business, but small business, but any business is hard work. Without hard work, there's no success. Even Chef Clayton, when he learned that to reach at this level, it's hard work. And now young chef from Kuchare, he's going to go into next level. So I think each one of you, तुम्ही जेव्हा शिकता ते त्रास पडटले एकठांय जावन पळयता हांवें पयला आमी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप करता खुबशी गोष्टी करता पण मागीर तशें प्लेग्रावंड जालें कोंकणीन सांग तशें बायलां मदीं मागीर कोंकणीन इंग्लीशीन उलयता तरी मागीर काही काही मातशें हें आसा पूण आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू कम टुगेदर ऑर इंडिविज्युअली and whatever financial help you require, whatever I'll guide you, and even if I have to help, I'll help, there's no problem. But I would be very happy from this batch, at least 3-4 of you start some business. And to start with all this, we have meetings here all the time. If you all are good, I will request Jasmine to take people who are interested in their names. Small orders, maybe 50 patisseries, 50 teas, 50 cakes or 100 cakes or something like that. We can start to encourage you and see your performance in, and 10 people when they will give the output. So we'll take your names, Sarvada will tell them who are interested, you can give their names and we will start with a small beginning right now from home itself with whatever which you have, whatever you have. So that we can get confidence level to grow. This is how even the other 3 people have started. So now with these few words, once again, I thank you all. I know some 3-4 people could not make it, but you all made it and you all came in the morning. Some of you have not come, but I wish you all the success. Certificates will be given to all of you for participation. But certificate is not important. The real certificate will be once you start doing something what Chef Clayton and Dias has taught you. And with these few words, I thank all the Ravin Bhavan members who have been part of this program, especially Jasmine, who has been always there to guide and do whatever required. Ravin Bhavan by itself, we do a lot of other things. This is just one of it. So if you are interested in future, please give your names. We do art classes, glass painting, a lot of things we do. So you can always give your names, and now we will put you in the message groups, all your numbers, so that when we have Tia's, we have Buddha's program, we have a lot of things happening in Ravin Bhavan. So you will get messages, interested people can come for those programs also. So these few words, once again, I thank you all for electing me for the 3rd time. I hope whatever we can do together. I know roads are bad, not because I wanted them to be bad, but some things what we have to do for development. I always tell people, की काहीतरी घरात पेंट करता तेन्ना आमी सोसून घेता आनी वास सोसून घेता फर्निचर घालयता आनी मागीर पेंट करता तरी बरें दिसता तशेंच आमचे मतदारसंघ असोच आसा इल्लोसो ना तो व्हडलो आसा आनी सगळे करता तेन्ना खुबशे त्रास पडटा तुमकांय पडटा आमकांय पडटा लोकांची उतरां म्हाका आयकूंक पडटा करना जाल्यार आमदार जालो कांयच करूं ना म्हणटा ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी वयता तेन्ना आमी जेन्ना हे अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग केल्लें मतदारसंघात तुमी पयल्या स्टोरेज चालू आहा खुबशी गोश्टी आतां न्यू पायपलायनी घालता कित्याक उदकाचो इश्यू कुडचड्या वाडपाक लागला आणि जसे दुसरे तुमची सोयरी बरी असलेले कलावड तशी शिवोली आणि सद्दां ताका उदकाची प्रॉब्लम आहा कुडचड्या आमी सगळे खूब बरे आहा हांवें इल्ले इम्प्रुवमेंट करून हाडला पूण आतां पायपलायन चेंज करपाचो टायम जाल्लो तसो थोड्यो गोश्ट्यो सोसून घेवचे आनी कितें जर म्हाजें चुकता जाल्यार तुमकां हक्क आसा म्हाका सांगपाक हांव सदांच फुडें आसतलो आनी हें सांगपाक इतलें सांगता की रवींद्र भवनाचें आमी सायडीन एक्सटेंशन करता वी आर मेकिंग अ बिग एक्सटेंशन with 2 auditoriums. Like this now you have few people. We cannot, it's a big auditorium like you see on. So we are making a small auditorium of 200 seater which is almost ready. Most probably October we should inaugurate, August, September, October. So the dates I find we have a 2,500 auditorium, open auditorium. So we will come and organize audition and you can always have people who like singing. Outdoor auditorium we call them. In Kalakadi we call it black box which has fallen down. But here this is outdoor auditorium and that is why we are always here for you. Any suggestion, in any respect, खंयचें सजेशन दिवपाचें आहा म्हाका दिवं शकता नाल्यार आमचे वायस चेअरमॅन दिवं शकता और इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह दिवं शकता सो वी फील बिकॉज वी आर अ बिग फॅमिली सो समटायम्स वी मेक मिस्टेक्स समटायम्स वी डोंट नो वॉट पीपल वॉन्ट सो हियर एंड देर तुमचें कितें जर आसा जाल्यार आमकां सांगचें अशें विनंती करता परतून एकदां आय एम सॉरी आय हॅव टू रश गिव फ्यू सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड गो बट असेंब्ली सेशन इज गोइंग ऑन सो आय एम पार्ट ऑफ इट. All these 6 years as a minister, I could not speak. I could only speak as a subject of my ministry. But now as an MLA, I can speak of all subject matters which are required. So yesterday we took stray dogs. It's a very, very big problem in Kuchare. A lot of young children are bitten. So we are trying to find I am trying to find a practical solution. Stray cattle we have found. Every day We have tied up with somebody. Every month we take stray cattle. We have taken almost 400 stray cattle away from here. So stray dogs, not that we want to take them, but somehow it is, I am in a problem. म्हणजे एक तरी लोक कित्याक व्हरता म्हणटात, दुसरे एक तरी ओव्हर म्हणटा. सो इट्स गॉट इट. बट स्ट्रे डॉग्स वी विल ट्राय टू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन which is required. I get lot of messages from people that they are troubled by stray dogs. So please be aware with us. Any suggestion as a MLA, I am always there for you. This is the only thing. And once again, I thank everybody here on the stage, including myself, to have this and with him spending time. And I hope he taught you well. You enjoyed the teaching with him?
Yes.
Some of you enjoyed, others did not. Recent people did not. You enjoyed your teaching with him?
Yes.
बरे लागले हो ना म्हणून?
Yes.
व्हेरी गुड. तूं लोकांक सांगतले न्ही फुडले फावटी जेन्ना क्लिटन म्हणजे लायन लागपाक 200 लोकांचे अशे कॉन्व्हेंटान एडमिशनाक कशी लायन लागता की आमच्या भुरग्यांक घे म्हण सकाळी फुडें 4 लागता आनी मागीर बस दिता हांगा लायन लागपाक शेफ डायसान बरें शिकयलें आमकां. फुडले फावटी हे फावटी लायन लागलेली ना न्ही पूण आनी व्हडली लायन लागपाक जाय आनी हे भशेन फुडें आमी कुडचड्यार जेन्ना एक जर प्रोग्राम आहा तेजे रिक्वेस्ट करून दूर करूं शकता. हे सगळे सांगून परतून एकदां जमलेल्याक आनी ऑल द बेस्ट म्हणटा. जे जे गोष्टी हांवें सांगल्या तेजेर विचार करून जो तुमचो हेल्प जाय आमचे तुमकां कितें तरी करपाक जाय हांव सदांच आसतलो फुडें सांगून परतून एकदां देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू.
आज सर्टिफिकेट वाटप सर.